Hi there, this is Ira Weinstein. Millions of people use Microsoft Skype for Business every day for presence, messaging, and audio and video calling. But in March 2017, Microsoft launched its next-generation communication service, Microsoft Teams. Today, both platforms are in use, but the writing is on the wall. Skype for Business users will eventually need to migrate over to Teams. But Microsoft Teams is a cloud service, and more importantly, Teams is a proprietary environment. Only Teams users and Teams systems can connect to Teams meetings. So what about the millions of group video systems in use in the world today? We can't just toss them out because we're moving to Teams. Well, that's where Polycom's RealConnect service comes in. The RealConnect service is a cloud-based video interop service that was co-developed by Polycom and Microsoft and is managed and sold by Polycom. When first launched, this service allowed standards-based video systems, like those from Polycom and Cisco, to join Skype for Business on-premises or online meetings. Today, our team is testing a pre-release version of Polycom RealConnect for Teams. First, we added a RealConnect for Teams license to our company's Office 365 tenant. This took a little while to set up, but fortunately, you do this only one time for your entire company. Once that's done, the magic begins. From that point on, whenever a user schedules a Teams meeting, video dial-in details are automatically added to the invite. To join a meeting, Teams users click on the Teams link, and standards-based video systems either click to join or dial the video URI and enter the meeting ID. To test RealConnect for Teams, we conducted dozens of Teams calls and included video systems from Polycom and other vendors. In all cases, RealConnect for Teams did its job and allowed standards-based systems to join the Teams meetings. But the best news is the user experience. For Teams users, group video systems look just like another Teams user in the quad-screen view. For group video participants, Teams users look just like another group video system. And what about content sharing? Content shared by Teams users was visible as a dual content stream by all group video systems. Today, in the pre-GA version, content sharing from group video systems isn't supported. Polycom expects to add this feature very soon. But the takeaway here is that it doesn't really matter how you participate. You get the same basic user experience. During our testing, we stumbled across another benefit. Polycom group video users can even enjoy one-touch dialing into Teams meetings. Now that's well done. So if you're migrating to Teams at some point and you need to keep using your group video systems, don't worry. RealConnect for Teams will be available soon. Thanks, and have a great day.